Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Be Glorified, and that is in the key of D, and this is by Miranda Curtis. This is her version. This song was requested by Bernice Hughes. Thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us this awesome song to work on. You always give great songs for me to do. Thank you. You know what, to kick things off, I have my Coca-Cola. Yeah, I have my Coca-Cola on today. I would love it if you can go to your favorite refrigerator. And I would love it if you grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with me, your favorite, and I mean your favorite instructor, AK, on today. You know, many people have asked me, how can we donate to you? And I want to give you the chance right now to just hit that thanks button. The thanks button right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. That thanks button, give me a donation. Guys, I really appreciate it. All right, let's get it. We're in the key of D. That's D, E, G flat, G, A, B, D flat, D. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have Miranda Curtis in the building. She's going to come and bless us with her awesome voice. You know what? Meanwhile, let's go ahead and crack our knuckles, stretch them out, and I think we're ready. Are we ready? We're ready? Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. We're playing Be Glorified.
Let's declare this. Be glorified. Be glorified. Be glorified. Be glorified. Everybody say, be glorified. Be glorified. What the glory is all about, God. Come on. Be glorified. Say, be glorified. Be glorified. Say it again, be glorified. We give you all the honor, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Be glorified. Yes, be glorified. Here we go. Say, be glorified in the heavens. Be glorified in the earth. Be glorified in this temple. Shout his name, say Jesus. Jesus. Be thou glorified. Take it up, say, be glorified in the heavens. Be glorified in the earth. Be glorified in this temple. Cry Jesus. Say it again, say Jesus. Cry Jesus. Shout Jesus. Oh, Jesus. That's it.
That was Be Glorified. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. I'm just playing 2 chords in the beginning. Be glorified. Be glorified. And all that is just a D7. And then we're going to a C7. Play it again. C7. Then back to the D7. In our left hand, we're just going. So as you see, it's not landing on the 1, it's landing on the and, 1 and, right? So it's like 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and. You see that? So it's landing on the 1 and. After you do that 4 times, you will go. All right, what is that? We're playing 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 6. So then after that, they go, be glorified. All right, what is all of that? What we're doing is we're on the 4. We're playing that nice chord. That is a D6 chord. We're on our 3. We're playing a B flat 7, flat 5 chord. Then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this nice D7 chord. And we're resolving with our E13 chord. Very beautiful chord, right? Then it goes, be glorified in the heavens. Right? What is that? We're on a 5. We're playing our C chord. Then we're going to our D chord on the 5. Then we're going to this nice C7 chord, and that's on the 7 flat. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing a D chord, playing a C7 chord on the 2. Then we're playing a regular D chord on the 3. Then you just do that again. They have a turnaround. That's our E13 that we did earlier. Then they go back to it. All right. Here's our little transition. We're on the 2 flat, and we're playing this E diminished 7. Then we're going Jesus, Jesus. All right, what is that? We're on the 2. We're playing this chord. We're on the 1. We're playing this D major chord. We're on the 7. We're playing an A major chord. Now we're playing our A6 chord on the 3. We're playing this nice cool chord, some type of suspended type chord, and that's on the 6. Then we go da, 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 da. All right, what is that? On the 2, we're playing a G6 chord. We're going to our 3 regular D chord. Going right back to that G6 chord on the 4. Now we're on our 5 flat. We're playing a B minor chord. Regular A major chord on the 5. And on the 1. Guys, that's the whole song. I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is from invisible to VIP in 3 seconds. I remember going to a jewelry store to buy an anniversary gift for my wife. I had just gotten off work and wasn't dressed my best, but I went with my father-in-law who always knew how to dress sharp. As soon as we walked in, the saleswoman rushed over to him and asked, "How may I help you?" Completely ignoring me, he looked at her and said, "Well, I'm not the one buying anything, my son is." She realized her mistake and pivoted towards me like I was holding a winning lottery ticket. It was like I had walked in wearing an invisibility cloak until she found out I was the one with the wallet. Suddenly, I became the VIP guest at a party I didn't even know I was invited to. I learned people treat you differently based on how you look. Unfortunately, some people think that style equals status, but true value isn't worn, it's shown in character, actions, and sometimes a well-timed credit card. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in, learning with me. And again, thank you so much, Bernice, for giving us that awesome song to work on. Thank you, and thank you for your encouraging words. This is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to, I heard somebody just say, yes, 1 million. This could not be done without you. I would love it if you go and tell all of your friends, your loved ones about this channel, and meet me over at Facebook. Yes, Facebook. We have a Facebook channel. That's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. Hopefully you do as well. And I would love it if you shoot me a request. You give me a song, I learn it, I play it, and I give it back to you, and hopefully you love it as well. Numerical Melodies on Facebook. We have a bell. When you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Yeah. If you hit that subscribe button, something magical happens. You join an awesome community such as this one. And guys, I think it takes 3 seconds. Let's try 3, 2, 1. Welcome. I see you just hit it and you just hit the bell. Thank you so much. You have just made my day. This is Numerical Melodies, and you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.